Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a social experiment kind of thing. So it's basically you go on your VIP account and you talk to a VIP and you say like, oh, do you want to be friends and stuff? And you do the same thing but except it's on a noob account and see if they react the same. So I'm going to find a person on my main account. I'll do like a couple of people. So let's see if they're online. Okay. So I'll just message this girl, Charlotte, 191919. Okay, I'll just say, I'll just be like, hey. Because I don't want to sound a bit creepy. Okay, so while she's replying, I'm going to make my new account and I'll be back. Okay, so I decided to like make it quite newbie, so let's just do that colour skin, black nose, those lips, and those eyes. Let's like try and make it look like we put effort into it. So let's go with like these. I don't really know what like noobs are. Maybe like, by the way, I'm not trying to like offend anyone when I say noobs. It's just like, it's an actual word. It's not like supposed to be offensive to anyone. So that's just what I think. Okay. That looks pretty noob-like, and for a username, I think I'm just gonna do Abby Rocks 101. Okay. Oh, okay. Jess Rocks 101. 0. Okay. The password is lol123. If anyone wants this account. Okay. So let me just check if she's replied. Okay, she said hi. Okay, I mean she don't really like put a smiley face or anything. So let's just see how she reacts to the noob account. Okay, so I messaged this other girl as well. She hasn't replied yet, so I'm going to message this girl on my new account. So her name's Charlotte 191919. Okay. And if she asks like, how did you find me and stuff? Oh no. Oh, okay. Sorry, my laptop's being super duper slow. It's just like that. I don't know why, but yeah. Okay. Okay, let's see if she replies, and while I'm waiting for that, I'll just see. Okay, she's still not replied. I don't know what she's doing, but we'll try someone else. She's really nice. I've been talking to her. She's really nice. Okay, let's try her. Okay. Oh, okay, she's really, really nice. And then I'm just gonna like have a conversation and see if she's still nice and stuff. Okay. Okay, she's not on the line, I just realised. So let's try someone else. Okay. She never replies to messages, I'm just saying. So I'm gonna try her on my new account. Okay, she's so nice. Okay, let's just leave that. So no one else seems to be replying. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna try her. Recording. Say hi. Okay. Silver. I hope they yeah, I hope you say hi back. Okay. So I'm just gonna text her and see if she wants to be friends. She literally never replies, so I'm not being mean or anything. Okay, she said hi. Silent looks. No, I gave the code away. Okay. Oh, I don't know her name. Oh, okay. She's been really nice. I'm not gonna say to her that it's a social experiment, just because, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this video here. Overall, everyone has been nice, which is really good. Sorry, my computer is so slow. Okay, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!